One of the things I've learned about gardening is that sometimes the best thing you can do is stop trying to force something that simply isn't working. Today, I'm cleaning out my cabbage and broccoli. I had high hopes for both of them, but between the cabbage worms and the heat, they just weren't able to thrive. And of course, that's disappointing. You spend time planting, watering, checking on them every day, and you naturally hope they'll reward you with a harvest. But disappointment doesn't always mean the season is over. Sometimes it simply means it's time to plant something different. Since I'm gardening here in Zone 8, we're still dealing with plenty of heat. So instead of fighting against the season, I'm choosing to work with it. That's why today I'm direct sowing cucumbers. Cucumbers absolutely love warm weather, and there's still enough growing season left for them to produce before cooler temperatures arrive. One thing that gardening has taught me is that every plant has its season. Trying to grow cool season vegetables during extreme heat usually just leads to frustration. But choosing crops that actually enjoy the current conditions gives your garden another chance to succeed. And honestly, life works the exact same way. Sometimes we spend so much energy trying to rescue something that has already run its course that we overlook the opportunity sitting right in front of us. Not every ending deserves another attempt. Sometimes it deserves a new beginning. Pulling out these cabbage and broccoli plants isn't giving up. It's making room. Making room for something that's better suited for this season. Maybe that's the lesson disappointment has been trying to teach me all along. The goal isn't to make every plan work. The goal is to keep growing. So today, that's exactly what I'm doing. A few cucumber seeds, fresh soil, a little hope, and another chance. Thank you so much for spending some time in the garden with me today. If you're planting your fall garden, I'd love to know what's going in the beds right now. Let me know down in the comments. And until next time, remember, growth doesn't happen all at once. It happens one season at a time.